Hello friends, I am Nikhil Chaurasia. Welcome to my new video. Now today my topic is electrostatic precipitator ESP. What is an ESP? An electrostatic precipitator ESP or electrostatic air cleaner is a particulate collection device that removes particles from the flowing gas such as air using the force of induced electrostatic charge. Electrodes at high voltage create a corona effect ionization atmosphere surrounding them. This charge the passing particulates once charged particles are subject to transverse electrostatic force that pulls them towards the collecting plates. Electrostatic precipitators are highly efficient filtration devices that minimally impede the flow of gases through the device and can easily remove fine particulate matter such as dust and smoke from the air stream. Principle behind ESP. Precipitators functions by electrostatically charging the dust particles in the gas stream. The charged particles are then attracted to and deposited on plates or other collecting devices. When enough dust has accumulated, the collectors are second to dislodge the dust, causing it to fall with the force of gravity to hoppers below. The dust is then removed by a conveyor system from disposal or recycling. 6 activities typically take place. Number first, ionization, charging of particles, migration, transporting the charged particles to the collecting surface, collection, precipitation of the charged particles onto the collecting surfaces. Charge dissipation, neutralizing the charged particles on the collecting surface. Particle dislodging, remove the particles from the collecting surface to the hopper. Particle removal, conveying the particles from the hopper to a disposal point. Components of ESP. Discharge electrodes, collecting plates, power supply and controls, wrapping systems, hoppers and dust handling, and last one is flue gas conditioning. Number first, discharge electrodes. Discharge electrodes emit charging current and provide voltage that generates an electrical field between the discharge electrodes and the collecting plates. Collecting electrodes. Collecting plates are designed to receive and retain the precipitated particles and then removed into the hopper. In addition, the collecting plates are part of the electrical power circuit of the precipitator. Power supply and controls. The power supply systems is designed to provide voltage to the electrical field or bus section at the highest possible level. Wrapping systems. Wrappers are time control system provide for removing dust from the collecting plates and the discharge electrodes. Hoppers and dust handling. Precipitators hoppers are designed to completely discharge dust load on demand. Advantages. The durability of the ESP is high. It has low operating costs. It can be used for collection of both dry and wet impurities. The collecting efficiency of the device is high even for small particles. It can handle large gas volume and heavy dust loads at low pressures. Disadvantages of ESP. Can't be used for gaseous emissions. Space requirement is more. Capital investment is high. Not adaptable to change in operating conditions. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.